So next we'll go with the mass as well as weight. Before going that, let us discuss something about the mass. So mass, many of you having the confusion that mass and weight both are same. But I'll say that mass is different and weight is different. How means mass is nothing but it is the amount of matter present in a body. So mass represents amount of matter present in a body. Okay, so it is different from that of the weight. So how much amount of matter is present in our body, that represents the mass of the object. And another one thing, mass is a scalar quantity. So it's very important. If the question is write the difference between mass and the weight, means these are the points you have to mention it. So mass is a scalar quantity, that means it does not depend upon the direction, only it depend upon the magnitude. And the third one is it is same in all direction or in all positions. So what is this same in all position means? If the mass of your any of the object, if you have taken, that is a matter present in that, if you have taken, whether you change it to any position, whether from the, for example, from earth to moon, if you have moon means, then also the mass, that is the amount of matter which is present in your body, will remains the same. That means mass of that object will remain same in spite of any positions or in spite of any of the place if you have considered. That is the third point. And the last point is, if there is more mass means then more inertia. So what is this more mass means more inertia? We have discussed in a previous chapter, that is, if the mass is more means inertia will be more. Inertia is nothing but tendency of an object to remain in a state of that rest or in a motion. So that is its resistance. I can say it is the resist of that body to remain either in a state of rest or in a motion position. To know about how this more mass and more inertia concept, let us revise some of the things what we have discussed previously. So to understand that, I'll consider two objects. One object I'll consider with the mass m1, the small mass, and another one object I'll consider with the mass m2. This mass will be larger than this mass. Same force I am applying, F force I am applying to this object, and same force I am applying to this object. If the force has been applied to that object means, you know, its velocity is changed, isn't it? Initially it was 0. After force has been applied, its velocity has been changed. Velocity changing means acceleration is constant. So here velocity has been changing means here also acceleration will comes into picture. So that means here the acceleration is A1, here the acceleration is A2. You know the formula F is equals to ma. From this formula I'll derive this one, that is A1 equals to F divided by m1 for this one. Here A2 is equals to F divided by m2. Now if I see the mass of that object, this object is less. If the mass is less, you know acceleration will be more. Here the mass is more, acceleration is less. So I want to discuss about this. I'll just discuss about the mass, more mass. Okay. So what it is, if there is more mass means acceleration is less. What is the meaning of acceleration is less? Acceleration is less means change in velocity is less, isn't it? Acceleration is nothing but it is change in velocity. If the acceleration is less, it's nothing but the change in velocity of that object. This object is less. If the change in velocity is less, is nothing but some resistance. That is, something is happening there for that object to resist. That is called the inertia. That means if the acceleration is less, this means change in velocity is less, nothing but more will be the inertia. That means more will be the tendency of that object to restrain in either in a rest position or in a motion position. So more mass means it is more inertia. Here also if you can consider less, here the more acceleration is there. That means more number of changing has been taken place. More change has been taken place means inertia of that object will be less here. So more mass, more inertia, less mass, less inertia. Okay, this is the thing what about the mass here. Similarly, let us consider about the weight. Very important topic is, so what is the weight? So weight is nothing but, for example, it depends upon the gravitation or the force of gravity. So for example, if you have taken any of the object which is thrown here, thrown to the ground, in that cases there is an attraction between the object and as well as ground. That attraction we know it is the force of gravity, isn't it? That attractive force is called the force of gravity. So what I can say about the weight of an object definition? Weight is the force. Weight is the force applied on an object. So weight is the force applied on an object by the earth due to gravity. That means some force is applied on that object, this object, by the earth due to gravitation. That is called the weight of an object. So that means mass and weight are different. And also I can say weight is not remain same in all positions, isn't it? This is applied by the earth due to gravity. And if I have said about the gravitational force of the earth, mean it is different in different position. In the previous class we have known, in the poles, in the earth itself, earth is not in a circular manner. Circular manner means in all position it remains same. But it is like oval or spheroid position. In that shape, the pole, near to the pole, there will be a change in gravitation, acceleration due to gravity will be changed, and near to the equator, the acceleration due to gravity is different. So that means the weight of an object, if you have considered, that will be changing. For example, if you are in a earth or if you are in a Mars, if you are considered, in that cases the weight of you, and in the case of Mars, any of the other planets, if you are considered, the weight does not remain same, where in case Mars will remain same in all positions. Okay. So next, what is the formula for the weight? Weight, you know, force is nothing but mass into acceleration. Now acceleration is nothing but acceleration due to gravity. F is equals to m into g. So here, what is this force here? Weight is the force applied on an object by the earth due to gravity, means force I can change it into weight, that is W is equals to m into g. So this is the formula for the weight of an object. And another one thing, weight is a vector quantity. And the SI unit of weight is same as the force, that is Newton. Okay. So if the question is what is the difference between mass as well as weight, means mass is a scalar quantity whereas weight is a vector quantity, and mass remains same in all positions. Weight here different in different positions. This is a major difference between mass and weight. So here you can say weight is directly proportional to mass by the formula. That means, and also weight is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. So if you have known the mass, for example, what you are weighing in your machine. For example, if I weighed my how much is the mass, that is not the weight there, that is the mass. Okay, whatever you are weighing in a weighing machine, that it is the mass of you. That means how much matter is present in you. If it is some 70 kg, if you consider, so if it is W is equal to 70 into G, I'll take it as 10, means the weight of you will be nearly 700 Newton. Okay, nearly it is 700. Here I have taken G value 10. If I have taken 9.8, nearly I'll get 690 something. That is the Newton. So that is the weight of that. So we will say whatever we are measuring in weighing machine, we will say it a weight of that, weight of us. But actually it is not the weight of us, it is actually the mass. Okay, it is the how much quantity of matter which is present in our body, that is the mass we are measuring. By the mass there is a relation with the height, that is weight, that is the weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So this is about the what is the difference or what are the things about the mass as well as weight. Mass is different and as well as weight is different. If you know the difference, then you can bifurcate what is mass and as well as weight. Based on this topic, I have given you the worksheet. Try to solve it. If any doubts is there, means we will discuss in an interaction section. Thank you.